If you have a pup, you'll need a dog leash, even if the extent of your travels is a once-yearly trip to the vet or monthly groomer visit. The best leashes keep dogs safe and out of trouble and allow owners to maintain control in the event of an emergency. There are many dog leashes to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best dog leashes from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Ruffwear Roamer Bungee Dog Leash. The Ruffwear Roamer Bungee Dog Leash stands out as our top pick for several reasons. It offers hands-free capabilities thanks to its bungee webbing and padded handle. This leash is versatile in length and color options and converts, allowing for secure hands-free control of your puppy. Made from durable nylon webbing and Ruffwear's proprietary wavelength stretch webbing, with a heavy-duty plastic buckle and aluminum clasp, this leash proved itself against our testers' strongest pullers. The padded handle provides a comfortable grip for owners, and the waist belt can extend to 48 inches when in hands-free mode. Over about 2 months, our tester used this leash with her adolescent mixed breed and 2 rambunctious German Shepherd mixes. Number 2. Ruffwear Front Range Dog Leash. Looking for a quality, everyday leash at an affordable price? Look no further than the Ruffwear Front Range Dog Leash. It is light enough for small breeds, and the locking clasp provides extra security. If you're walking your dog in the city, the integrated traffic handle lets you keep dogs close in traffic or crowds. Made from tough fade-resistant nylon webbing, the colors stay vibrant even after prolonged use. Ruffwear's Tubalock jacquard webbing prevents fraying and fading and should last a lifetime with proper care. This leash is quite thin and not suitable for unruly dogs, dogs who chew, or dogs who like to walk themselves by holding the leash in their mouth. Our tester found that the Front Range Dog Leash wasn't ideal for her German Shepherd mixes, but worked great for her young mixed breed and geriatric, laid-back boxer. Number 3. Tug Retractable Dog Leash. The Tug Angle-Free Retractable Dog Leash is a sleek, modern-looking alternative to traditional retractable leashes. Utilizing flat tape instead of the more common rope, this leash is less prone to kinking and knotting and less likely to cause injury, such as rope burns. Retraction is smooth and not fast enough to jerk on the dog's collar. It is available in multiple sizes and colors. The length varies by size ranging from 10 feet. Our tester used this leash with her medium-sized mixed breed and experienced some tangling and kinking when the leash was retracted from the fully extended position. The leash is heavier than other retractables, mainly because it needs to house a tape leash instead of a rope leash. It is not thick enough to withstand chewing, but a small extension comes with it to clip onto the end of the leash and protect it from overzealous chewers. Number 4. Wolflinen Dog Slip Leash. The Wolflinen Dog Slip Leash offers a blend of durability, versatility, and style that sets it apart in the world of dog accessories. One of the standout features of this leash is adaptability. The included carabiners allow for quick attachment to a collar and even enable the leash to be converted into a makeshift harness. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for owners who value multifunctionality in their pet gear. Safety is also a key consideration in the design of the Wolflinen leash. Its highly reflective properties ensure visibility during evening walks, providing peace of mind for both owner and pet. The 6-foot length offers ample room for exploration while maintaining control, and the leather binding adds a touch of elegance to the robust construction. Number 5. Kurgo Double Dog Leash. The Kurgo Double Dog Leash is an innovative solution for pet owners who juggle the task of walking multiple dogs simultaneously. This clever leash extender transforms any standard leash into a double dog leash, effectively eliminating the common problem of tangled leads and conflicting directions. It's a game changer for those who've struggled with the chaos of walking 2 energetic pups at once. One of the most impressive features of this product is its adjustability. The extender can be modified from 2 to 25 inches, allowing for comfortable walks with dogs of varying sizes. This flexibility ensures that both a Saint Bernard and a Chihuahua can be accommodated on the same walk without compromising control or comfort. Durability is a key factor in the design, with strong webbing and all-metal hardware providing peace of mind for even the most enthusiastic pullers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.